Well, let's see if I can prop up the camera and show you a trick for putting together a chain that you know it will fit, but you just can't pull it all the way tight. If you take an old master link and you cut it down and grind it down so that it's beveled, the inside edges are beveled, you can put it in the chain and it will slide in and hold it together. And then you can put the regular master link in from the back and push out the one you just put in there. And now you can put your master link together. So this time the chain was actually loose enough that I could have done it the normal way. But this is a cute little tool that I built, and it has helped many times in the past. So that's all, just a quick little easy way of doing something. And last but not least, once you've got your master link on, you can safety wire it like so. The wire goes between the link and the sprocket so it doesn't rub anything. It hangs out over top of the chain so it won't rub the inside of your chain guard. And as long as it's not on the side, it won't rub the side of your chain guard. And it'll keep the master link just a tad bit safer. I've actually never had a master link come off or heard of it ever happening, but might as well, as long as we're here. I've got the safety wire and I've got the pliers. This is not mil spec quality. I was in the Air Force and I can do a whole lot better, but this is more than adequate for putting a safety wire on a master link. Give it a thought.